Hey guys, it's Keegan from Skate 328, and today I'm doing a review on the Lanyard Switchblade 36. This is a 2012 model. Okay, I'm going to go over the specs. The specs for this board is it's 36 inches long, 9 inches wide, and has 27-inch wheelbase. It's made from 8 plies of Canadian maple. It has a 1-inch drop down. It also has drop through. For the pros and cons for this board, the main pros are probably because it's drop through and drop down. You have a really low profile, so you're stable when you're doing downhill, and also the foot pockets keep your feet in when you're sliding. And another pro is because it's so low to the ground, you don't have much distance to dip your foot. The only con is that because it's so low to the ground, when you go over curves, the bottom scrapes really easy, but you just have to be careful with that. The setup I'm running at the moment is Blue Dream calipers. I definitely suggest calipers, they're a really good truck. And for the wheels, I'm running orange stems. They're alright, but they're really chattery. I'm going to go to Butterball soon. For bearings, I've got Burn Super Reds. These are probably the best bearings for the price. I get them every time. And with bushings, I've got just some Venom bushings. For the graphic with this board, green stain with a kraken rising out of some water, attacking a Chinese temple. With the grip tape, with lanyard boards, they give you the stock lanyard grip, but it's not very good because it gets really dirty. So I changed mine to some Vicious, and that's really, really grippy, and it's so much better. With recommendations for setups, I definitely recommend calipers, but with wheels, I wouldn't get orangutans, they're really chattery. I'd probably get Butterballs or Zombie Hawks. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed my review. Please like and subscribe and follow us on Instagram. Thanks.